Hi, I'm Paul from UT Electric Bikes, and this is going to be a quick guide on how to adjust your mechanical disc brakes. I am going to upload a video later which will be a more detailed description on how to adjust them, but hopefully this will get you up and going quickly. You may not need to use any tools, but if you do, all you will need is a 5mm Allen key. The front and rear brakes are the same, so the adjustment is the same for both. So let's get straight into it. The main problem will be that you will have too much play on your brake lever. There is a barrel adjuster on the brake lever and also on the brake caliper, which may fix up the problem quickly without tools. The barrel adjusters have a lock nut, so you may need to loosen this first before you can unscrew the barrel. As you unscrew the barrel anti-clockwise, this adds more tension onto the brake cable and reduces the gap between the brake pads and the rotor. Keep unscrewing the barrel and checking the play on your brake lever. You can also adjust the barrel on the brake caliper, and that will have the same effect. Once you are happy with the play in your brake lever, tighten the lock nut clockwise on the barrel so it does not move. If you cannot get enough adjustment from the barrels, then you'll need to get your 5mm Allen key and make some further adjustments at the brake caliper. Look down through the brake pads to see how much gap there is between the brake pads and the disc rotor. You want to achieve a small gap, but not touching the disc rotor. You may need to do this with some light or a torch behind the brake pad so that you can see the gap. Using the 5mm Allen key, firstly adjust the inside brake pad. Position the wheels so you can poke the Allen key through the spokes and into the inside brake adjustment. Turn it clockwise, and you will actually feel it clicking as you turn the screw, and check the inside gap so that it is as small as possible. You might need to turn the wheel to make sure that you've not turned it too much and the pad is rubbing and stopping the wheel from turning. Again, check the play in your brake lever. If the brake still needs adjusting, then you will have to loosen the wire locking screw and move the caliper arm to adjust the outside brake pad. Loosen the wire locking screw until the wire is released. Push the arm forward until the outside brake pad is hard against the rotor. Then back it off a little bit so that you create a small gap between the pad and the rotor. Tighten the locking screw just enough so that the wire does not move, and gently, not too hard, check the play in your brake lever. You may need to adjust it a few times to get it just right. Once you are happy, tighten the locking screw firmly and you should be right to go.